then we can give you 1 minute.
Yeah. Just 1 minute.
Your name again?
Yes, Kimoto Teresina Wanjiro Makazi, Complex Kimoto and Company Advocates, Kerugoya. Yes, I wish to respond just briefly on one issue. That is the issue of service. There was an issue raised that the notice was not necessary. And we insist that because today was inter-parties hearing, then the notice was necessary. We also wish to say that one can do a good thing, but at the wrong time. And the reason why we are saying this is that the Chief Justice, though we are being told, we have been given a memo and directed to the portal, which I have checked right now, and it's not there. The last thing that was there was a ruling delivered by Honorable Chief Richard Mwongo at Kerugoya, and there's nothing else. So the Kerugoya matters, they have nothing else there. And we have been told this internal memo was filed as petition E14 of 2024. So that is not true. However, we wish to say that once a court sits on Saturday, and then at a wee hours, it could look like a good thing, but then a wrong thing. Because the perception people will have is that there's something fishy going on. That is what we are crying out loud and saying it is not necessary. And the last thing that I wish to note is that justice cannot be served expeditiously while infringing the rights of others. So we are very much in order. Fair hearing is a must. And we cannot be told it's for the interest of quick delivery of justice that we infringe other people's rights. So we are saying, let us be heard fairly, and we be given enough time to respond to all the motions that are before court, and also the petitions or the responses filed, so that we cannot be prejudiced. That's all.
Your Lordship, with your very kind permission, my name is Akimpa. I just have one issue to respond, and that is by Professor Mutembei on, Your Lordship, Professor was so precise as to the time when the file was transferred from Kerugoya. That is at 3:45 p.m. Your Lordship, I have also taken the liberty to look at the order that was issued in that matter. And it was the order was issued at 3:37 p.m. So in 8 minutes, Your Lordship, the petition E015 was transferred, or rather was transferred to the Chief Justice. Your Lordship, in our matter, that is petition E014, it was transferred to Her Ladyship on 11th of October. So those are 8 days. Your Lordship, therefore, we don't understand why the expediency that came in the sense that one petition is transferred to the CJ in 8 minutes, while our petition takes up to 8 days for it to be transferred.
I think the petition which was filed in Kerugoya, the lawyers who did that yourselves
Yes, Your Lordship.
Should answer that question.
Your Lordship, and that's the
Yes, that is your question to answer. You cannot post it to us.
Your Lordship, it's in the context of the matter in which.
Yeah, you must balance all issues. You don't, when an issue favors you, you want to raise it up. When it doesn't favor you, you want to put it down.
I'm well guided.
Each orders which came from Kerugoya by your orders. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Before we make final orders, please keep quiet. Before we make final orders, we as a bench, we want to thank all counsel for the mature way in which we have conducted today's proceedings, and the legal arguments which we have put. They are going to assist us to reach a decision which we shall render tomorrow at 3:30 p.m.
Leadership, perhaps before you turn off, there could be a possibility, Your Lordship, that it is imperative that we have the other files that were not before you coming up for a mention tomorrow, because there is an application for your refusal that I have filed. I would perhaps also wish to seek directions on it.